Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to create a symbol map. So let's create a symbol map. To create a symbol map, the requirements are same what we had for the field map. Okay. So to create a symbol map, we require one geometric dimension, 0 or more dimension, and 0 to 2 measures, right? So let's create a symbol map. So for this I will choose state and control click the country, then choose symbol map. Okay, so this is the simple symbol map. Listen it very carefully. In the previous video, what we have discussed? We have discussed the darker blue color has the highest profit and the darker orange color has the lowest profit, right? So for this, what we did in the previous video, just drag and drop profit into color, right? So if you have not watched this part, I'll just give this video link in my description. Just check out that video. Okay. So here, what do I want? I want if the size is bigger, then the profit is also higher, and if the size is smaller, then the profit is also lesser in that area. Okay. So for this, just drag and drop profit into size. Okay, see, this is the California. The size is also bigger and the profit is 37,422. This is Texas. The size is also bigger and the profit is 28,079. You can see Montana here. The size is also smaller and the profit is minus 13,759. Okay. So in this way you can easily identify. So here if you want to see the state name and the profit over here, so just drag and drop state into level and profit into level. Okay. So that you can easily identify. And here if you want to increase this size, just click on size option and increase the size. Okay. Then if you want to present it, just click F7, otherwise click this option, presentation mode, so that you can see all the states properly. Okay. Then press escape. One more interesting topic is here. If you want to change the circle shape, this one, okay, you can also do that. Just click this automatic option, then click on shapes option. Okay, just click on shape option. You can see here are so many shapes are available. As per your convenience, you can just select the option. Okay. So in this way you can create a symbol map. Okay. So just rename this sheet. And if you want to format the sheet also, you can do this. Make it as 10, black, bold, and you can change the worksheet color also as blue. It looks good. Just click on bold, black, middle, apply. Okay, see. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood.